Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to open a Oanda live account. So just type in your Google search Oanda open live account and go to the first link. Alright, after choosing the country, insert your email address and password. Also you can read the disclaimers, license agreements, disclosure statements and agreements. Just if you wish to familiarize yourself more with the terms of service, go ahead, confirm and continue. And guys, after this, as you can see, we will need to fill in the personal details: first name, middle name, last name, suffix, I have no idea what this is, date of birth and mobile number. After this you can see in the tabs, and as you can see on these tabs, next we have citizenship tab. Then you basically fill in your address, employment, trading experience, you verify your identity and then wait for the verification. So unfortunately in my country it's not available, this service, so I won't be able to show you, but the process of filling in the details is very straightforward, even easier I would say than in banks. So yeah, pretty much this is how it's done, guys. So hopefully this helped you a bit. If it did, this video, make sure to like the video of course and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.